The first thing we're going to look at here when you come into the settings under points, this is where you're going to build out your rewards program. So you can reward customers based on a visit, based on an amount spent, or you can tier rewards. And so there's like 3 different options that you can flow to build out your rewards program. Again, based on the verticals and the different types of businesses, there are those options in there. So for example, I'm on tier rewards here is the one that I have set up for this business. I'm going to have reward tiers whenever I set this up. And so at each tier, I'm going to reward my customers with something else through this loyalty program. So whenever I go in here, I have my starter program, and underneath of it, I'm going to simply set up how many points are required to hit this tier and what happens when I do. So for the starter program, when I hit 25 reward points, I can set up a percentage off so they could buy one item and get a discount, and I can set the percentage for that item. So again, that's completely customizable. They can change this. Their options inside of here are actually a percentage off. We can gift them a dollar amount as a discount, or we can give them a free product. If I select free product here, and I'll show you that because I have that set up under my bronze category. When I go in here and I hit edit, at 250 points, I'm going to give the customer a free product. So this is the second tier of the rewards program. And then all of my products from my shop pull into here. And so here I have it set up. I'm going to give a Stackably sweatshirt that's a kid size for hitting that second tier. Again, whatever products you want to start, you could add in multiple products and they could choose from those. So it is very customizable in terms of offering multiple products that can be selected once they've hit a certain tier. And then from here, I can go into, for example, my silver tier would be on the third option, which is a dollar amount, and I'm going to give them $50 off of a purchase, or $50 as the reward for that third tier. If I wanted to have 5 or 6 tiers, I can simply hit plus, and I can add in additional tiers, give them names, and I can make 7 or 8 tiers if I want to. Or I can simply come in and say, oh, I don't really like my starter tier. Let's go ahead and remove that. And now I just have 3 tiers left for my rewards program to keep it simple. This is all going to tie back into the Stackably app. And so I want to take just a couple minutes and talk about some of the things we're doing there. I'm not going to demo it. It's still in it's still in production here, where we're about to release another version of Stackably. One of the things that we're doing that's pretty exciting as far as for the salon vertical is we are releasing a salon app for Stackably. And so we are going to be releasing Stackably Salons in the App Store. That's going to just have the features for Salon Stack that are available to the community. So for appointment scheduling, editing your appointment, for the customer to be able to go in and reschedule, for them to pay for their appointment, all of that stuff, we are building the Stackably Connect app is what you would currently have. That is the customer-facing app. There will be a specific app for Stackably for salons, and that is what we are working on right now. That should be available by February 1st is what we're shooting for on the Stackably Salon app, along with some other improvements we're making specifically for salons that we're already working with that you guys have sent in, and we're in the middle of setting them up and improving the software specifically for those. One of the other cool things that's going to be in there though is right when the customer signs in, they'll see their rewards points there. So if you're running a loyalty program, they'll be able to see where they're at in that program, how far to the next tier, all that stuff's available right inside of the Stackably. Will be the Stackably Salon app, but it's currently in the Stackably Connect app as it sits in the marketplace today. So anyway, that's just a couple things I wanted to highlight around creating a loyalty program. And then you can even go in and you can adjust where the loyalty gets redeemed. And so I can redeem it on the point of sale. I could, if I'm in a class-based business, I could give discounts on memberships, online purchases if I was selling items online. So again, very customizable with how the rewards get redeemed. And then also I can go in and customize a little bit just how it displays in the app and on the website and stuff like that.